Best track saws. Are you looking for the best track saws? In this video we will look at 5 of the best track saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Festool Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55. The Festool 577014 Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55 FEQF plus FS with a 55-inch, 1,400mm, guide rail is a precision cutting tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who demand accurate, clean cuts. It is known for its versatility, ease of use, and high-quality performance in tasks like rip cuts, cross cuts, bevel cuts, and precision edge cutting. Equipped with a plunge cutting mechanism, the TS55 allows for exact starting points without the need for pre-drilling or measuring. The saw's cutting depth can be easily adjusted up to 55mm, allowing it to handle a wide range of materials, including wood, plywood, MDF, and even laminates. The guide rail system ensures straight, accurate cuts with minimal setup, preventing the saw from drifting off course during operation. The saw also features integrated dust extraction, which helps to keep the workspace clean and reduce airborne particles. This feature is especially beneficial for those working in dust-sensitive environments like workshops or construction sites. The soft start function ensures that the saw operates smoothly, minimizing kickback and vibration for a more controlled cutting experience. The TS55 FEQF plus FS is designed with comfort and safety in mind, featuring an ergonomic handle and a low noise output, which reduces fatigue during prolonged use. It is compatible with various Festool accessories, such as additional guide rails and connectors, making it a highly adaptable tool. Weighing just 4.4 kilograms (9.7 pounds), this saw offers a balanced and manageable feel, perfect for precision cuts in both small and large projects. Whether you're a professional or hobbyist, the Festool TS55 delivers unmatched performance and durability. Number 2. Evolution Multi-Material Cutting Circular Track Saw Kit. The Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit is a highly versatile cutting tool designed to tackle a wide range of materials, including wood, plastic, metal, and more. With its 7 1/4 inch, 185mm blade, this saw is capable of making precise, clean cuts in various thicknesses, making it ideal for both professional and DIY projects. One of its standout features is its ability to cut through multiple materials without needing to change the blade. The TCT, tungsten carbide tipped, blade included in the kit is designed for durability and longevity, providing consistent performance across materials like wood, plastic, and even light metals like aluminum and thin steel. This feature makes it an excellent choice for those who need a multi-purpose tool for diverse cutting tasks. The 40-inch track included in the kit ensures straight, accurate cuts every time, eliminating the need for clamping or measuring guides. The track system also minimizes splintering on wood surfaces, ensuring clean and smooth edges. Its quick and easy setup allows users to focus on the task at hand rather than spending time aligning and stabilizing the tool. The R185 CCSX features a powerful motor that offers high cutting performance, even in tougher materials. It has an adjustable cutting depth and beveling capability, making it suitable for a variety of angled cuts. Weighing just 8.8 pounds, the saw is easy to handle while still offering enough power for tougher cutting tasks. Overall, the Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX is an excellent tool for those seeking a highly adaptable, durable, and precise saw that can handle a wide range of materials and projects. Number 3. Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita SP6000J161/2 Plunge Circular Saw Kit is a premium cutting tool designed for precision and versatility, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The kit includes a 6.5, 165mm plunge saw, a 55-inch guide rail, and a stackable tool case for convenient storage and transportation. A key feature of the SP6000J1 is its plunge cutting ability, allowing for precise cuts in a variety of materials, including wood, plywood, and MDF, with no need for pre-drilling. The saw offers an adjustable cutting depth of up to 23/16, allowing users to easily modify the depth based on the material being cut. It also features a bevel capacity of 0 to 48 degrees, making it ideal for angled cuts in various applications. The guide rail system ensures straight, accurate cuts, enhancing the saw's precision. The rail also features an anti-slip mechanism, keeping the tool stable and preventing any unwanted movement during use. This ensures clean, straight lines even in larger projects. The saw is powered by a high-performance motor, providing smooth and efficient operation even in demanding tasks. Additionally, the soft start function minimizes startup jerks, contributing to smoother and safer operation. The saw also features an integrated dust collection system, which helps to keep the workspace clean and reduce airborne dust. Weighing just 9.1 pounds, the Makita SP6000J1 is lightweight and ergonomic, offering easy maneuverability and comfort during extended use. The included stackable tool case provides convenient storage and organization, ensuring the saw and accessories are easy to transport and store. Overall, the Makita SP6000J1 is an excellent choice for anyone in need of a reliable, high-precision circular saw that offers flexibility, durability, and ease of use. Number 4. Makita XPS01 PTJ 18V Cordless Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita XPS01 PTJ 18V X2 LXT Lithium-ion 36V brushless cordless 6.5-inch plunge circular saw kit is a high-performance, cordless plunge saw designed for professional and DIY users who require precision and mobility. Powered by two 18V LXT lithium-ion batteries, delivering a combined 36V of power, this saw offers impressive cutting performance without the restrictions of cords. The kit includes two 5.0Ah batteries for extended runtime, ensuring that users can work through larger projects without frequent recharging. The saw features a brushless motor, which provides longer motor life and greater efficiency compared to traditional brushed motors. The motor also helps to extend the tool's battery life, allowing users to maximize the time spent working between charges. The saw has a 6.1/2-inch blade that delivers a cutting depth of up to 2.1/4 inches, making it ideal for a variety of materials like plywood, MDF, and lumber. For added precision, the saw can be paired with the Makita 199,140-039-inch guide rail, available separately, which ensures straight, accurate cuts every time. The guide rail system minimizes movement and provides a smooth cutting experience, even in larger, more demanding projects. The tool-free depth adjustment and bevel capacity of 0 to 50 degrees provide versatility, making it easy to customize cuts for various angles and depths. Additionally, the built-in dust blower keeps the cutting line clear, enhancing visibility for more accurate cuts. The ergonomic design and lightweight build, weighing just 9.1 pounds with the battery, provide comfort and ease of handling, especially during extended use. The brushless motor, advanced features, and cordless convenience make the Makita XPS01 PTJ a reliable and efficient choice for professionals looking for portability, power, and precision in their plunge cutting tasks. Number 5. Bosch 6.5-inch track saw with plunge action. The Bosch GKT13-225L 6.5-inch precision track saw is a powerful and versatile tool designed for accurate plunge cuts in a variety of materials, including wood, plywood, and MDF. Ideal for both professional and DIY users, this track saw provides precision, clean cuts, and is equipped with a variety of user-friendly features. The saw features a 6.5-inch blade, which provides a cutting depth of up to 2.1/8 inches at 90 degrees, allowing users to make precise, deep cuts. Its plunge action feature enables users to start cuts in the middle of materials, offering flexibility and convenience in various cutting applications. One of the standout features of the Bosch GKT13-225L is its track system compatibility, ensuring straight, accurate cuts with minimal effort. The track system keeps the saw steady during operation, preventing drift and ensuring that cuts are precise. The saw is also designed with anti-splintering technology, which helps maintain clean edges and reduces the need for additional sanding or finishing. The adjustable bevel feature allows for bevel cuts up to 45 degrees, offering flexibility for more complex cutting tasks. Additionally, the saw includes a dust extraction port, which helps keep the workspace clean by connecting to a vacuum system to capture sawdust during operation. For added convenience, the Bosch GKT13-225L comes with a carrying case, making it easy to store and transport the saw and its accessories. The saw's ergonomic design and lightweight build, weighing approximately 9.6 pounds, enhance user comfort, even during extended use. Overall, the Bosch GKT13-225L is a reliable, high-performance track saw that delivers precision, clean cuts, and ease of use for various woodworking tasks. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, this saw offers versatility, durability, and accuracy for a range of cutting needs.